Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. In this video, I am sharing 3 ways that you can use your mini happy planner, as well as a quick plan with me decorating session using classic size stickers in the mini happy planner. Let's get started. Okay, one of the ways, obviously, that you can use your mini happy planner is an on-the-go happy planner. And I use this one as an on-the-go, just write in your errands or any on-the-go plans and use it kind of as a reference to your main planner. The benefits of having a mini is that it fits in your purse. You can have it with you all the time. You'll always have a place to write down your notes. I like to keep some paper in the back as a notes section. You can put sticky notes in it, envelopes if you want to, folders for receipts and things like that. And then you'll just have your planner with you on the go. The downside of using the mini as an on-the-go planner is that you may be duplicating your plans and you might make plans in your mini that aren't in your other planner. Another way you can use your mini on the go is as a reminders. So in this week, this is the 2019 Empowered Woman Mini Planner. I started trying this one out as a reminder. So I just wrote little reminders that I might have to do during the day or remember. And that's another way you can use it as an on-the-go planner, reminders on the go. The second way you can use your mini is that I really enjoyed, and I think it worked out great, especially for this vertical lined layout, is as a food journal. The vertical line layout gives you like the perfect checklist kind of format, and it was just enough space to kind of write in things that I ate. And also you can put those cute little food stickers in there. So I'm working on a vegetarian diet, and this past year this has helped me just to stay on track with my diet and the occasional apple pie. The third way that I have liked using the mini happy planner is as a fitness journal. This one is the 2018 Goal Getter Mini Happy Planner, and this one is a horizontal format, which I think was very good for my little workouts. I could put a little workout sticker, track my steps in there, and then on the monthly I can put stars or anything, little stickers, just to mark which days I did workouts. And this month of May 2018, I was doing really good with my workouts. Next, let's do a little plan with me for the Glam Girl 2020 Mini Happy Planner. And in this one, we'll be using the classic size stickers in the mini. Let me grab some super cute Glam Girl washi tape. I just like to put the washi in between the checklist and that like color box at the top. That just makes sense to me, but you can put your washi wherever you want to, or not use it. All right, I want to show, even though Glam Girl does have mini stickers, I want to show using the classic size stickers in the mini. And I just have a few errands. So I'm going to first grab a coffee sticker because I will probably get coffee on Monday. So I'm just going to put that in there. I'm not sure where it's going to go. Maybe it'll go here. Maybe like a box. Let's grab a box. So, and I don't care if it fits. It's just going to go in that, on, you know, kind of on that day. So I have something to write in there Monday. Tuesday, I don't really have any errands or reminders yet. Wednesday, I do. So let's see if there's a remember sticker. All right. Oh, I found, I do have a doctor appointment. So let's grab one of those. That's on Thursday. So let's put this, you know, I like to kind of stagger things around. Let's put this one down here towards the bottom. Perfect. Where else? We're still looking for a remember. Didn't find a remember sticker, but I think I'm going to use one of these crystals, diamonds, gems, whatever you want to call it, to write in my little remember for Friday. Ooh, the lines match up too. That's cool. Oh my gosh, I just found it. So here's a little reminder. That'll be perfect. It can kind of, oh, that's Friday's reminder, but no, I really needed the reminder. I'm gonna leave that. I really needed the reminder for Wednesday. Wow, that is, that you won't forget with a big sticker. Okay, so let's put that in. It's really Wednesday's reminder. Okay. All right, I want to grab this little asterisk in the navy blue to match our little reminder. So I can put that there and then I'll write it in. Oops, wrinkling these up. Okay, that's pretty much all I have for errands and reminders so far. So let's just decorate a little bit. This is cute. I like this. Little flags for the weekend. Whoa. I really like this purple lipstick with the XOXO. I think that's super cute. Should we put it over here? Over here? I think this corner. That's just cute. All right, let's grab one more sticker. There's a little box sticker right here. It says top 3. It's in our little pink animal print. We can put that right here. So we'll have a spot for our Tuesday because there'll be something to do on Tuesday whenever that pops up. Now we have a place to put it. I think that's all we're going to do for On the Go this week. It does not need to be complicated or, I mean, we've got the other planner for all the big things. I think that's it. How are you using your mini happy planner? Leave a comment down below. If you'd like to learn more, click the link in the description to get your free Power Plan checklist. And if you're new to planning, check out the Planner School. The first class inside the Planner School is Planning 101, the Power Plan system. If you're new and you're not sure where to start, you can learn everything all in one class. Subscribe to the Planner channel to watch weekly videos about decorative and functional creative planning. See you in the next video.